My name is Beau Houle, I use they, them pronouns. I'm the brand new Outreach and Communications Coordinator here at the Gender Empowerment Center. The Gender Empowerment Center is one of the UVSS advocacy groups, and we focus on the needs of self-identified women, non-binary, trans, and gender non-conforming students. And we provide education, resources, events, and a drop-in space. Having a safe space is a really important aspect of wellness. We also provide resources, including menstrual supplies and safer sex supplies, and in our space, students can come access tea and snacks as well. We provide peer support, and that happens from the coordinator to the students, and also just within the collective. We have a very close-knit group of people, and there's a lot of camaraderie there, and students are able to find friends and build community. Being open to change is so important because we live in a society that is full of structures that were designed to be exclusive, right? And so looking at the university, for example, this is an institution that was built on patriarchy, that is built on stolen land, that is fundamentally designed to uphold these social hierarchies, right? And so if we're looking to create a world where everybody is welcome, where everyone is empowered, where people have autonomy, that necessitates change. One small thing we can do today to promote a more equitable and inclusive campus is developing a practice of self-reflexivity. These conversations can be really hard. It's not helpful to pretend that they're not hard, but it's so important to take time to understand where we are at in terms of our relation to all of these oppressive systems that we operate in. Take a second and think about how we're feeling and take care of ourselves. That helps us be more open to feedback. It helps us be less reactive. It helps us move through the world with more kindness. And so what the GEM does that's really important is promoting an awareness that our wellness is impacted by larger systems, and providing a space for students to just come and be themselves and feel a little bit safer and build community of like-minded people so that they can grow into their best, most beautiful selves.